In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Grammarly not working in Chrome in this 2026 guide. If Grammarly has suddenly stopped showing suggestions, isn't loading in text fields, or just seems unresponsive in Chrome, don't worry. In most cases, the issue is caused by a setting, an outdated browser, or a small extension conflict. We're going to walk through the fixes in a clear order so you can get it working again as quickly as possible. First, open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From there, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Find Grammarly in the list and make sure the extension is turned on. If it's disabled, Grammarly won't work on any website, so this is always the first thing to check. Next, refresh the web page you're trying to use. Sometimes the extension is enabled, but it just didn't load correctly on that page. You can click the reload button or press F5, then check the text field again to see if the Grammarly icon appears. After that, click the Grammarly extension icon in Chrome and make sure you're signed into the correct account. If needed, sign out and sign back in. A fresh login can often fix syncing or loading issues, especially if the extension appears active but isn't giving suggestions. Now let's update Chrome itself. Open the three-dot menu again, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. If an update is available, install it and restart Chrome. Running an outdated browser can cause extension compatibility problems. You should also update the Grammarly extension. Type Chrome/extensions into the address bar, then turn on developer mode in the top right corner. Click Update to refresh all installed extensions, then restart Chrome once that's done. Next, check Grammarly site access permissions. Go back to Manage Extensions, select Grammarly and look for site access. Set it to On All Sites, or make sure it has permission for the specific website where you want to use it. If access is restricted, Grammarly may not appear where you expect it to. Another common cause is extension conflicts. If you use ad blockers, script blockers, or other writing tools, temporarily disable them, refresh the page, and test Grammarly again. If that doesn't help, clear Chrome's cache, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete, select cached images and files, then click Delete Data. Restart Chrome afterward to make sure the browser reloads everything cleanly. If Grammarly still isn't working, remove the extension from Manage Extensions, then reinstall the latest version from the Chrome Web Store, sign in again and test it, and finally restart your computer. It sounds simple, but it can clear temporary software issues affecting Chrome or the extension. That's how to fix Grammarly not working in Chrome.